So after you have chosen your word that has at least 5 letters in the word, if your word you chose is, say, Dan or Joe, and it doesn't have 5 letters, you could use an exclamation point, or you can add maybe a period and a last initial or a nickname, but you want to try to choose a word that has at least 5 letters to make your design look good. The next step is to look at other fonts that were either on the worksheet, or you can Google different fonts, and you're going to find a few that you think embody the characteristics that you want your word to exhibit. So for example, this S here, I thought I liked this kind of wave kind of design over here, and I liked the edgy, sharp edges along the side, kind of gave it a little bit of a hard kind of feel, as opposed to